got a new title here. This is Usborne's Peek Inside Snowy Places. It's by Anna Milbourne, illustrated by Simona Dimitri. It's a board book. Looks like it's got some really lovely flaps, nice big flaps. Adorable polar bears and little chunks of information. There are also some peekaboo holes. You can see little cutout holes between pages, which is always nice. Keeps us engaged and in going into from page to page. I love the colors. I love the illustrations. There's lots to learn in these little books. This book is $11.99. It's Usborne's Peek Inside Snowy Places.